Have you ever wondered why some outfits instantly look cheap, even when the clothes aren't? The answer isn't price, it's color control. In this video, we're breaking down the old money color secret that quietly separates refined style from amateur dressing, especially for men over 40. You'll learn how subtle color harmony, seasonal balance, and visual calm can completely change how your outfits are perceived. No flashy trends, no overthinking, just timeless principles that actually work. If you want to dress smarter, look more confident, and elevate your everyday style, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe for more refined men's style insights. 1. Loud contrast is the fastest way to look cheap. One reason outfits look cheap on older men is aggressive color contrast. High contrast combinations draw attention to separation rather than harmony, making even expensive clothes feel disconnected. Old money color logic works differently. It relies on colors that sit close together on the visual spectrum, allowing fabrics to blend naturally. This creates calm, continuity, and quiet confidence. When contrast is reduced, texture becomes the hero, not color. For winter casual wear, this approach feels warmer and more intentional. Muted tones also age better visually, supporting a mature presence rather than fighting it. Men over 40 benefit from color restraint because it emphasizes experience and composure. Instead of trying to stand out, the outfit feels composed and quietly elevated. This is the foundation of understated wealth dressing. Nothing screams, everything belongs, and the overall image feels expensive without explanation. 2. Bright whites kill depth in mature outfits. Pure bright white often makes outfits look cheap because it reflects too much light and removes visual depth. On older men, it can feel harsh and disconnected from the rest of the clothing. Old money color strategy replaces bright white with softened neutrals that age gracefully. Cream, ivory, and warm off-white allow layers to feel blended rather than stacked. These tones work especially well in winter casual outfits where subtle warmth matters. They also photograph better and reduce contrast stress on the eyes. When paired with muted outer layers, the look becomes fluid and cohesive. Men over 40 benefit from this shift because it supports a composed presence instead of chasing sharpness. The outfit doesn't demand attention, it earns it quietly. This small color correction instantly elevates perceived quality without changing silhouettes or spending more. Three, oversaturated colors break the old money illusion. Highly saturated colors instantly reduce perceived value because they overpower fabric quality. Even good materials look cheaper when color intensity dominates texture. Old money dressing prioritizes desaturated tones that allow craftsmanship to speak first. Muted blues, softened greens, and washed browns feel lived in and credible. For men over 40, this approach aligns with maturity and restraint. Saturation control also improves layering, since pieces interact smoothly rather than competing. In winter casual outfits, this creates visual warmth without heaviness. The outfit feels intentional, not assembled. Desaturated colors age beautifully, reinforcing longevity rather than trend dependence. This is why old money style feels timeless. It avoids visual noise. When color calms down, confidence comes forward. The result is a look that feels expensive even in motion, because nothing is shouting for attention. 4. Cheap outfits ignore seasonal color temperature. Outfits often look cheap because their colors fight the season. Cool, sharp tones in winter create visual tension and disconnect. Old money color logic always respects seasonal temperature. Winter casual wear favors warm, grounded hues that echo natural light conditions. This makes outfits feel settled rather than forced. For men over 40, this harmony reinforces authority and calm. When color temperature matches the environment, the outfit feels correct before it feels stylish. Warm neutrals also enhance skin tone, especially in daylight. This subtle advantage makes the entire look appear healthier and more expensive. Instead of chasing contrast, the outfit aligns with its surroundings. That alignment is what creates quiet luxury. The clothes don't demand validation, they simply make sense. 5. Too many colors signal inexperience. When an outfit uses too many colors, it often reads as indecision rather than creativity. This is a common reason outfits look cheap on older men. Old money color philosophy limits the palette, allowing depth to come from shade variation instead of variety. Fewer colors create authority and clarity. For men over 40, this restraint communicates confidence earned through experience. In winter casual wear, a narrow palette feels warmer and more deliberate. It also allows textures to carry visual interest without distraction. The outfit becomes cohesive, calm, and believable. This approach doesn't restrict style, it refines it. By reducing color noise, the entire look feels more expensive and intentional. The result is effortless sophistication that doesn't rely on explanation or trend validation. Five, too many colors signal inexperience. When an outfit uses too many colors, it often reads as indecision rather than creativity. This is a common reason outfits look cheap on older men. Old money color philosophy limits the palette, allowing depth to come from shade variation instead of variety. Fewer colors create authority and clarity. For men over 40, this restraint communicates confidence earned through experience. In winter casual wear, a narrow palette feels warmer and more deliberate. It also allows textures to carry visual interest without distraction. The outfit becomes cohesive, calm, and believable. This approach doesn't restrict style, it refines it. By reducing color noise, the entire look feels more expensive and intentional. The result is effortless sophistication that doesn't rely on explanation or trend validation. Seven, cheap color choices ignore skin tone harmony. Outfits often look cheap because the colors fight the wearer's natural skin tone. Old money dressing always considers harmony first. For men over 40, balanced colors enhance maturity rather than overpower it. In cool spring weather, soft warm tones paired with neutral bases create visual comfort. When colors support the face, the entire outfit appears healthier and more expensive. This isn't about fashion rules, it's about visual logic. Harmony removes distraction and lets presence lead. Subtle contrast within the same temperature range feels effortless. This approach avoids sharp, artificial color clashes that cheapen even quality garments. A harmonious palette communicates confidence and self-awareness. It suggests the wearer understands himself, not trends. That understanding is the foundation of quiet, refined style that never looks forced or overstated. 8. Cheap outfits overuse trend colors. Trend-driven colors age faster than garments themselves. When outfits rely on fashionable shades, they quickly look outdated and cheap. Old money color logic avoids this by choosing colors rooted in nature and heritage. For men over 40, this creates timelessness. In spring's cool transition, grounded colors feel stable and intentional. They allow outfits to remain relevant without effort. Trend colors often dominate the eye, masking fabric quality. Heritage tones do the opposite. They reveal texture and craftsmanship. This restraint signals confidence. The outfit feels lived in, not temporary. Avoiding trends doesn't limit creativity, it refines it. The result is a look that appears considered, expensive, and appropriate across years, not seasons. Nine, cheap looks rely on sharp color separation. Strong color separation breaks visual flow, making outfits feel assembled rather than designed. Old money style favors gradual transitions between shades. For men over 40, this produces calm authority. In spring layering, soft transitions feel natural and refined. When colors fade into one another, the eye moves smoothly across the body. This continuity enhances posture and presence. Sharp breaks create distraction and cheapen the look. Gentle contrast, however, feels expensive and controlled. This method allows casual outfits to appear polished without stiffness. It's a quiet technique that works subconsciously. The outfit doesn't announce style. It demonstrates it through balance and restraint. Ten, cheap outfits ignore color consistency. When colors lack consistency, outfits feel confused. Old money color discipline ensures every piece belongs to the same visual story. For men over 40, this creates credibility. In cool spring weather, consistency doesn't mean monotony. It means coherence. Subtle variation within a controlled palette feels intentional. This approach allows casual outfits to look finished rather than improvised. Consistency also enhances layering, making outfits feel thoughtful. Random color additions break trust with the viewer. A consistent palette builds it. The outfit reads as confident and self-aware. This is how simple clothes appear expensive. Nothing feels accidental. Everything aligns quietly. 11. Cheap outfits ignore seasonal balance. Many outfits look cheap because they ignore seasonal balance. In spring, dressing too lightly feels careless, while dressing too heavy looks disconnected from the environment. Old money style respects the season without exaggeration. For men over 40, this balance signals awareness and maturity. A spring outfit should feel breathable yet reassuring. Light structure paired with soft warmth creates visual comfort. When clothes match the temperature, the wearer appears grounded and confident. This balance also affects color perception. Spring-friendly tones soften the outfit and prevent harsh contrasts. The result feels intentional, not rushed. Cheap-looking outfits often fight the season. Refined ones cooperate with it. Seasonal harmony quietly elevates even simple clothing, making the overall look appear thoughtful and quietly expensive. Cheap colors fight natural light. Outfits often look cheap because the colors resist natural light instead of working with it. Old money color choices are designed to respond beautifully to daylight. For men over 40, this creates a subtle glow rather than visual tension. In spring's softer light, muted colors reflect gently instead of shouting. This makes fabrics appear richer and more dimensional. When colors absorb and release light naturally, the outfit feels calm and expensive. Harsh or synthetic tones flatten under daylight and expose poor coordination. Understanding how colors behave outdoors is a quiet skill. It's not about brightness, it's about harmony. This approach ensures the outfit looks just as good in motion as it does standing still, which is essential for casual spring dressing. Cheap outfits overlook texture contrast. Color alone doesn't create richness, texture does. Cheap outfits often rely on flat surfaces with no contrast. Old money style quietly mixes textures to add depth without visual noise. For men over 40, this creates refinement without effort. In spring, texture replaces heavy layering. Smooth against soft, matte against subtle sheen. These contrasts make outfits feel considered. When textures interact, the outfit gains dimension even in neutral tones. This approach avoids loud colors while still feeling interesting. Cheap looks feel flat because everything competes at the same level. Texture hierarchy solves this problem elegantly. It's a silent signal of taste that doesn't require explanation. Cheap looks rely on visual noise. Too many visual elements make outfits feel chaotic. Cheap outfits often stack unnecessary details. Old money style removes noise instead of adding decoration. For men over 40, restraint communicates confidence. In spring, simplicity allows fabrics and colors to breathe. A clean silhouette paired with subtle color control feels calm and expensive. Visual noise distracts from presence. When the outfit is quiet, the wearer becomes the focus. This doesn't mean boring, it means deliberate. Every piece has a purpose. The result is a composed look that feels effortless and mature, especially in relaxed spring settings. "15. Cheap outfits lack visual calm. The final reason outfits look cheap is the absence of visual calm. Old money style prioritizes ease on the eye. For men over 40, this calm presence reads as authority and confidence. In spring, visual calm comes from balanced proportions, gentle colors, and breathable layers. When nothing feels forced, the outfit feels expensive. Calm outfits age well because they aren't tied to trends. They feel reliable and composed. This quality is instantly noticeable, even if the viewer can't explain why. Visual calm is the ultimate luxury. It suggests control, experience, and timeless taste. Now you know the real reason outfits look cheap, and how old money color choices fix it without effort. Style after 40 isn't about chasing trends, it's about mastering calm, balance, and restraint. When your colors work together, everything else falls into place. If this video helped you see your wardrobe differently, make sure to like it and share it with someone who needs a style upgrade. And if you want more guides on timeless dressing, smart casual layering, and mature men's fashion done right, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. More refined style content is coming. See you in the next video.